Hey, this is Sam Thomas with Providence Group Realty, and hey, if you're looking for a great condo on the first floor in West Plano, you got to come with me and check this out. Let's go. This light and bright 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo in Central Plano has its own private garage and is in a desirable location on the corner of building number 6. The interior offers an open floor plan with wood-like flooring throughout and modern gray paint colors. The kitchen is well appointed with updated stainless steel appliances, and the washer and dryer also convey with the sale. Also, there's an updated bathroom which features a walk-in shower, neutral tile, and a double sink vanity. Hey, so once again, my name is Sam Thomas with Providence Group Realty, and I would love to show you this property. Contact us at 469-298-9786. Thank you.